Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming 3 essentials: your account level, client version, and free resources. Go to Settings now and enable beta or developer flags. This unlocks deeper options. Once done, verify the game is at the latest patch so compatibility is assured, and free up at least 1 GB RAM to avoid crashes. These steps matter because the mode changes rendering and input handling. Without the prerequisites, the activation will fail. Move immediately to the next configuration stage. Now you perform the activation sequence. Open the console or advanced panel and enter the precise command string provided by the patch notes. Make sure you type it exactly, including punctuation. Errors prevent the switch. Then, adjust graphics to match Ultra mode demands, raise texture scale, set frame cap to 60+ if stable, and confirm native resolution. Also remap any controls that conflict with new input layers, because misbound keys cause gameplay breaks. After this, make sure changes persist on restart. You finish by restarting the client so settings fully apply, then check the HUD or status pane for Ultra mode confirmation. Launch a short 5 to 10 minute session to test stability and monitor FPS and temperature. This proves whether your rig handles it. If problems appear, crashes, stutter, or missing features, roll back to the safe preset, review the error log for the specific fault, and reapply the activation sequence step by step. One key tip: clear shader cache before retrying to fix rendering hangs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.